here's what you need to know about Phase 1 and the light bulbs in your home right now. It is news you can use. Say bye-bye to the 100-watt incandescent bulb. A new federal law says 100-watt light bulbs must be made up to 30% more energy efficient. That means 100-watt incandescents can no longer be made since they use more energy creating heat than light. Next year, 75-watt incandescent bulbs will be eliminated, and in 2014, no more new 40 and 60-watt incandescents. Even though Congress prevented funding to enforce the measure, the law is still in effect.
There will be no light bulb police coming to your home to check whether you're using the 100-watt or not. But when that bulb burns out eventually, you'll have to go to the store and replace it, and that's when consumers will be faced with the three choices.
Cathy Choi is president of bulb maker Bulbrite. She shows the three options consumers now have.
The first one, which is the closest to what they're used to, is the halogen incandescent. And so a 72-watt bulb will replace a 100-watt bulb.
So how does a 72-watt bulb replace a 100 watts? It sounds confusing, but this way. Forget focusing on watts and think of another word, lumens. The law also mandates new labeling, much like the nutrition label on foods. You'll see the amount of lumens, or light, coming from a particular bulb, and the annual energy cost, so you can compare prices. But the initial cost for all of the new options is higher.
A 72-watt halogen bulb will probably average around $2.50 per bulb, whereas an incandescent 100-watt was less than $1. But overall, in the life of the bulb, as well as your energy, your electric bill, they'll see an overall savings. So it's a win-win.
Compact fluorescent bulbs can cost up to $5 each. LEDs cost even more, up to $20 and $30, but they also last a lot longer.
An LED can last up to 20 years, and a CFL somewhere between 10 years and upwards, and incandescents and halogens last a little bit less than a year, so they're comparable in life.
And there is one big concern about those CFLs, or compact fluorescent bulbs. They do have a small amount of mercury in them, so they have to be recycled properly.
Good to know. There is